Hello guys, I'm very excited for this video because I'm going to tell you the biggest sale of the year is happening this month. So I am getting ready with this first video about it. I'm going to have several of them throughout this month. So hope you don't get sick of this. But it is about Wealthy Affiliates Black Friday sale. It is coming up quick. So I'm going to tell you all about it in this video. Okay, so let's get started. So guys, here I am. This is the front page of Wealthy Affiliate. You can see that I am on this front page of Wealthy Affiliate. But for you to get on this page to see my face on it, you will need a special link, okay? And the link that you need to use is workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama. And that is an affiliate link. I am a big promoter of Wealthy Affiliate, so I earn commissions this way because that is what they teach, guys. This is exactly what they teach. They taught me how to use my affiliate website to introduce a lot of people to Wealthy Affiliate, and that is how I became a super affiliate on their platform. I've been with Wealthy Affiliate since 2016, and I am now introducing other people and helping others to do the same, and not necessarily promote Wealthy Affiliate, but also promote whatever they want. They could go into their own niche if they want to do, makeup or, a recipe site or a sports site or a golf site or anything. This business can be used for any topic that you can think of, literally. So you could really make money this way, and Wealthy Affiliate specializes in this. Now, in this video, why you want to know about the Black Friday sale is because they only have one sale a year for anything. And this is the only time of year that you could get a big discount, okay, off of their membership pricing. So normally you would pay $49 a month. They also have other subscriptions like the 6-month subscription and the yearly subscription. So the 6-month subscription is for $234 and the annual subscription is for $359. Now, if you work all those plans out into a monthly cost, the cheapest plan is the yearly. It works out to be just under $30 a month. And so while you are training on Wealthy Affiliate, you do need this membership because you need all the training, guys, okay? Here I'm actually on the Wealthy Affiliate platform, and this is the dashboard. It's called this. You see people blogging about the progress, and here are some of the top 10 posts for today. And so you could see how other members are doing, and this is a great community, guys. So you could network with other people who are doing the same thing as you guys, okay? So anyway, the training that I want to show you is right here. The online entrepreneur certification. Everybody kind of go through this one first because this is for any topic that you want to build your online business with, okay? And if you are on the starter membership plan, you only get the first level. Even though the starter plan is excellent where you can actually have a live website on the internet just going through this first level. Okay, that's the free membership. So you could get the free membership by signing up at workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama. And then you can wait for the Black Friday sale to upgrade to the premium. That way that you get the cheapest price, okay? So that's how I would do it, guys. And the training here is insane. And then the help that you get is even more insane because if you become a premium member, you get access to these two awesome guys here. These two awesome guys are known as Kyle and Carson, and they are the owners of Wealthy Affiliate. And I have met them, guys, okay? I've hung out with these guys in Vegas, and I'm going to do it again next year. And it's very fun to be a part of this organization. Working with them, not for them, by the way. I'm not an employee or anything. I'm just an affiliate. So I have my own online business. Just like you can learn how to build your own online business. I'm just an affiliate. I like promote it. I love the training, and this is why I promote them, because I want other people who are just starting to learn from this training because it's so beginner friendly. You go through these courses, it's laid out perfectly the way that your business should be built. And there's tasks at the end of each of these lessons so that you could build your online business at the same time as you're learning it, so you don't lose any information, and then you can build it alongside your training. So this is how you can take action and be accountable and keep you accountable, that is. So this is why the system, the training works so well, because it is really leading you to take action every time you do a lesson. So you do need to have all 5 levels. Oh, so this is affiliate bootcamp. So if you're a promoter of Wealthy Affiliate, you do want to do the affiliate bootcamp instead of online entrepreneur certification, because this is going to be specifically how to promote Wealthy Affiliate. But the principles, the core principles are the same. It doesn't matter if it's this any niche or like an affiliate marketing niche. The principles of how they teach you to build your online business is the same, because you are going to build a business that is going to be long-term sustainable long-term, and it's going to drive its own traffic, meaning you're going to get free visitors, free leads into your online business every single day if you follow this training and you follow it to the T, and you continue to do the work that it tells you even after you finish the course. You got to keep building your online business until you start making the money that you want to see, guys, okay? So this year's Black Friday is November 29, guys, okay? Look, you got free chat here. There's so many features here, guys, okay? There's like all these tools that you can use. These tools, they're all included with your premium membership. It is so awesome to have all these tools. This is all in one platform, guys. You got your site hosted here. You have all these tools for your website. You have live webinars every single week from Jay, who teaches you the trending topics. There's just so many features of this program, guys. It is the best way to learn, and I hope that you will come on here and get your free account. Get it ready. Go on workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama, and then you will get to this page where you see my face on it. Remember, it's very important, because if you use my link, I'm going to be your premium coach if you go premium, and I am coaching everybody for free. This is a free service that I provide, my referral. It's kind of part of my bonus. You do have other bonuses that I'm going to show you on your profile when you sign up for your free account. So check that out. And if you go yearly on Black Friday, you're going to get even more bonuses, and you're going to get that information also on your profile when you sign up with me. So I can't wait for you to check out the Black Friday sale, which is going to be on, remember, November 29th through December 2nd. So it's going to be at the end of this month. So look out for it. I'm going to be available for you if you have any questions. Of course, just put them in the comments below this video, and I will have other videos hopefully along this month to remind you that the sale is coming. But guys, what is the actual sale? So I just realized in this entire video, I didn't tell you what the actual sale is. So the big sale is that the yearly membership is going to go from $359 a year, drops it down to $299 a year, guys. Okay, you're going to save a big $60 savings, and that works out to only less than $25 a month, guys. Okay, that is very insanely cheap to build your entire online business on one platform. It's all you need to start. So for less than $25 a month, you really can't go wrong with this. And if you are really dedicated and taking action consistently throughout this next year that you buy, so for the next 12 months, if you really apply the training, you will way more than earn back your yearly subscription cost, and maybe plus some profit. You just don't know, okay? And I'm not guaranteeing any results, obviously, because I'm just not. I don't know who you are. I don't know if you're going to follow the training, but I will show you a ton of success stories as you are going on this platform. I will be sending you tons of proof. And you could go on my profile, go on Littlemama's profile, and just check out all my posts, because I've documented all my journey on there. So you can see how much money I've been making and how it started and all that. And so you can see that I have been doing this for so long, and you can see how it works, guys. Okay, so don't forget, November 29th to December 2nd is the Black Friday sale, and you want to create your free account now, workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama. Then you'll get to this page with my face on it. Okay, guys? Then you'll get my bonuses if you do sign up with me. So I cannot wait for that to happen, guys. Okay? I hope this information was very helpful for you so that you can now start getting ready for the Black Friday sale and get that free account started right now. Remember to go to workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama to get your free account now. And then when it's time for Black Friday, you'll be ready to upgrade. You won't miss it. Don't worry, okay? It'll be all over your dashboard when Black Friday happens. So I hope you liked this video, guys. If you did, please give me a thumbs up underneath this video. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online and more about affiliate marketing, of course. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out, guys, okay? I hope I see you on the Wealthy Affiliate platform, and I'll see you on the next video for sure. Okay, bye.